Tired of water that tastes off or smells like chlorine? The Culligan RC-EZ-4 replacement cartridge promises visibly cleaner water with a fresh, pure taste, perfect for drinking and cooking. If you're looking for a simple way to improve your family's water quality without the hassle, this filter is designed to make a noticeable difference right from your kitchen sink or refrigerator. What sets this cartridge apart is its ability to reduce a broad range of contaminants. It tackles unpleasant tastes and odors caused by chlorine and chloramines, filters out sediment, lead, mercury, and even cysts like Cryptosporidium and Giardia. Plus, it handles turbidity, VOCs, MTBE, and particulate Class 1 contaminants. Tested and certified by IAPMO to NSF, ANSI standards 42 and 53. It offers reliable protection you can trust for your household water. Installation couldn't be easier. The RC-EZ-4 fits perfectly with Culligan's EZ Change filter systems, models US-EZ-1, US-EZ-3, and US-EZ-4, so you avoid the mess of traditional cartridge changes. No buckets, no wrenches, no towels. Just a quick swap and you're back to enjoying crisp, clean water and ice. The included tubing and hardware mean you have everything ready to go from the start. One of the biggest benefits is the cartridge's lifespan. It filters up to 500 gallons or lasts about 6 months depending on your usage. That means less frequent replacements and consistent water quality without the constant upkeep. Users rave about the noticeable improvement in taste, especially when using filtered water for coffee and cooking. Small changes that make a big impact on daily life. If you've ever considered reverse osmosis systems, you'll appreciate how the Culligan RC-EZ-4 delivers comparable filtration without the high cost or water waste. Reverse osmosis wastes about 3 gallons for every gallon filtered, while this cartridge maximizes efficiency. It's a practical, cost-effective solution that fits seamlessly into your routine. If that's you, someone who values clean, great-tasting water without complicated setups or expensive maintenance, this filter is worth a look. Culligan's decades of expertise in water filtration show in the quality and reliability of this product. It's a smart investment for anyone serious about improving their home water. Ready to upgrade your water? The Culligan RC-EZ-4 replacement cartridge offers a straightforward, effective way to enjoy cleaner, better-tasting water every day. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference for yourself.